Hello guys, welcome to my channel Linklet Hub. Hope so you all are doing great. So in this video I'm going to tell you 5 tips to get an A in your studies. So I'm Taiba Akhtar. I am a silver medalist in BS English Linguistics and Literature. So what tips I follow during my BS journey to get a silver medal? I'm going to tell you the 5 major tips which I have applied throughout my journey to get silver medal. So the first tip, write down the lectures. I have always note down my lectures. You can see these all are the registers which I have filled up during my lectures. I have attended the lectures. I write down everything. I never rely on the PPT files. Though I got those PPT files, though I learned them, but my main thing was my own notes. These notes, I still have these registers, so if anyone needs help in BS English Linguistics and Literature, they can contact me. I will help them. So how I take notes, it is also important. So what I do, that I leave a major part of the notebook for one course, so that my all notes of one course can be in the same place. For example, this is the notes, or these are the notes of ELT, English Language Teaching course. And then I left this all, and it is about morphology and syntax. These are my notes of morphology and syntax. All notes of one specific topic or one specific course is together. So it also helps me when someone asks for my help, or when I have to do revisions, or I have to prepare for my exam. So all my notes are in one place, so I don't waste time in finding my notes. So you should also do this. Now, second tip, help other people in understanding topics. Okay, I have seen a lot of students who don't help their classmates or friends or group fellows. You should help people in understanding the topics. When you will help others, your topic, your concept will also get clear. There is a misconception among the students that if we will help others, it will waste our time, or we shouldn't help other people in understanding the topic or teaching them the lessons. But this concept is wrong. I always help other people in understanding topics. So I have a lot of friends due to this tip, and my all concepts got clear when I help other people understanding topics. So you should also do this. The third one is record the lectures. When the lectures are tough, when the concept is tough to understand, then I always record them. I just put my mobile in front of me and start the recorder on my mobile. I never tell anyone about it, because there is no need of it. You should record the lecture so that you can listen to it when you are preparing for the exam, or when you are preparing for the test. It will also help you. Fourth one is make a study plan. You should never leave everything on the night before the exam. It will spoil your chances for getting an A in your studies. You should make a study plan, but it doesn't mean that having a study plan you need to study every day. No. In your study plan, you can take offs, you can take holiday days, you can take breaks. So make your study plan in such a way that you are capable of understanding topics and learning them from time to time. Fifth one is don't cram. Understand the topics. It is also a misconception that we need to learn the concept by heart to pass the exam. No. Cramming will not help you. Learning by heart will not help you. You will forget the concepts while writing the paper, and all of your game will be over. So you need to understand the topics. You need to understand that what is saying in that topic, so that you can write it in your own words during the exam. If you can also take help from the YouTube to understand the topics in a better way. So these are the 5 tips you should follow to get an A in your studies. Thank you so much.